Chemicals. They're in your water. They're in your food. They're in the air you breathe. But it's worse than that. Much worse. It is the water you drink. It is the food you eat. It is the air you breathe.
See this table? It makes up all the elements we know about, and if you put any together, they make chemicals. So what does that mean?
Apples, water, air, soil, heart. All of these things are made of chemicals. It's not a cover-all blanket word that means bad things that bad people manufactured and put into everything. It is everything, by nature. While we're at it, thinking something is bad just based on not being able to pronounce its name isn't a good enough reason to avoid it and label it as witchcraft. A lot of those names aren't easy to you because they didn't think it was super necessary to make up an easy word for it. It's the scientific term. Do you know the scientific word for all the plants and animals you eat? If you did, this menu would look much less terrifying. We live in an age of such easily accessible information. There's no excuse for playing ignorance on things we don't know about. If you don't know what an ingredient is, look it up. You'll get different opinions from different people, but the base knowledge is usually the same throughout, and you'll be smarter for it. Don't trash talk it because you think it'll mutate people or poison them. It's counterproductive to our understanding of the things around us. Now that that's out of the way, we can focus on the things that are really bad, or at the very least, use the proper words to describe them. When people disregard things around them and use ignorance left, right, and center, it just puts society as a whole in reverse. Chemicals are like drugs. Some are good, some are bad.